Let's be honest for a second. Right now, you've probably got a dozen browser tabs open. A downloads folder stuffed with half-read PDFs, notes scattered across 3 different apps, a chat thread, and a sticky note you already lost. You're doing the research. You're putting in the hours. But somehow, none of it ever comes together into something you can actually use. Every project starts the same way, drowning in sources and starving for structure. What if, instead of collecting all of that by hand, your research could organize itself? This is the topic block, the beating heart of research inside Grafux. The idea is simple. You give it a subject. You hand it a few links, or you just describe what you're after. And Grafux does the reading for you. It goes out, understands your sources, and turns the messy, sprawling chaos of the open web into a single, clean, structured block of knowledge, one you can actually build on. Research goes in. Structure comes out. That's the whole promise, and in the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how it works. So what makes a topic block different from just asking a chatbot? This. A topic block never dumps a giant wall of text on you and calls it a day. Instead, it reads through your sources, identifies the real things that matter inside them, the people, the products, the companies, the places, and it gives every single one its own labeled output port. Ask for the top 5 cities, and you get exactly 5 ports: Paris, Tokyo, and the rest, each one its own tidy, addressable piece of data. And every port comes filled with clear, detailed information that's grounded in live sources, complete with the title, the date, and a link back to where it came from. No hallucinations. No, just trust me. Just real, verifiable knowledge with the receipts attached. Here's the best part. Creating one takes seconds, and Grafux gives you 3 ways to do it, so you can work however you like. Option 1. Open the block dialog. Type a name, choose a category to keep things organized, drop in a description, or paste a few website and YouTube links, add a search query if you want, and hit generate. Option 2. Don't touch the keyboard at all. Just say it out loud, create a topic about electric vehicle makers, and Grafux builds it for you, live. Option 3. Type it right into the chat in plain English. 3 completely different paths, the form, your voice, or a conversation, and every one of them lands on the same beautifully structured block. Let's watch it happen. Say we're researching the top 5 AI research labs in the world. We type it in, we hit go, and Grafux springs into action. It searches the live web, reads through what it finds, and assembles our block right in front of us. 1 port appears for each lab, named, summarized, and stamped with a genuine source and date, so you always know where the information came from. And it stays under your control. Not confident about a result? Hit run, and Grafux fills the ports again with fresh data. Want to start clean? Hit regenerate, and it rediscovers the entities from scratch. Your research is never frozen in time. It's always 1 click away from being completely up to date. But here's where it truly clicks. A topic block isn't the destination. It's the launchpad. Because every one of those ports is a clean, connectable piece of data, your topic becomes the head of an entire pipeline. Wire a port into a memory block, and Grafux remembers it for good. Feed it into an AI block and reason, summarize, or compare across everything you gathered. Send it onward into a report and publish it, polished and cited. Connect, branch, and combine it with any other block on the canvas. The research you do one time stops being a throwaway search and becomes a permanent building block you'll reach for again and again. So step back and look at what you've gained. Your knowledge is grounded and current, pulled from the live web, not dusted off from some model's fading memory. When you supply your own links, it reads only those, staying perfectly faithful to your sources. Everything you create is reusable, composable, and saved safely under its own category, ready for your next project. And whether you like to type, to talk, or to click, it simply works. No friction, no setup, no fuss. That is the power of the topic block. Scattered references in and organized, connected, trustworthy knowledge out. So here's the challenge. Stop collecting tabs. Stop losing your best ideas in a sea of open windows. Start building knowledge that connects. Grafux. Turn any subject into structure in seconds. Try the topic block today and never research the old way again.